Now let's read Do You Know given on page number 93. There are 7 union territories in India. Do the correction. There are 8 union territories in India. These areas are under the direct control of the central government. Children, central government plays an important role in our country. Central government has the power to make laws for the whole country. There are 8 union territories in India. Union territories are ruled directly by the central government, and children, central government is present in the entire country and functions in whole country. Now let's read next paragraph. India has different types of landforms. There are mountains in the north, the Himalayas. They receive heavy snowfall. The plains lie to the south of Himalayas. They are good for growing crops. The central part of India is a plateau. Now, let me explain the meaning of landforms. A landform is a natural feature of the solid surface of the earth. Mountains, hills, plateaus, and plains are the 4 major types of landforms. The word Himalayas means house of snow. Children, the 15 highest mountains in the world are in the Himalayas. The main ones are Mount Everest and K2. Children, plains lie to the south of Himalayas. The soil of these plains is good for growing crops. Children, central part of India is a plateau. And do you know what is a plateau? Plateau is a raised flat land. Another name of this plateau is Deccan Plateau. This plateau is rich in precious stones. Now, children, let's read Do You Know given on page number 93. India has a population of over 121 crores. Children, at present, the total population in India is estimated 138 crores. Now let's read last paragraph given on page number 93. There is a desert in the west, the Thar Desert. The Ghats are next to the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. 2 groups of islands also form a part of India: the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Children, the Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. The Thar Desert is located in the western part of India. Thar Desert receives very low rainfall. Hills of sand are very common in Thar Desert. Western Ghats are located in the southern part of India and Eastern Ghats are located in southern eastern part of India. There are 2 famous islands in India, that is Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now look at the map given on page number 93. Children, there are mountains in the northern part of India. Blue color shows the Himalayan range. The northern plains lie to the south of Himalayan range. Indian desert is located in western part of India. The central part of India is a plateau. The another name of plateau is Deccan Plateau. In this map, red color shows a plateau. Western Ghats are located next to Arabian Sea and Eastern Ghats are located to the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands are in Arabian Sea, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean to the south.